How to cancel Paramount Plus subscription on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn how you can cancel the Paramount Plus subscription on your Android device. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you wish to cancel your Paramount Plus subscription on an Android device, it's rather quite simple to do so. First of all, open up your Play Store. Because you subscribe using Android, so you must have subscribed using Google Play. Once you open your Play Store, tap on the profile icon on the top right hand side. Make sure this is the correct account from which you subscribed to Paramount Plus. Then go to the option Payment and Subscriptions. From Payment and Subscriptions, you want to go to the option that says Subscriptions. From there, simply look for the subscription of Pandora or Paramount Plus, sorry. Once you've done that, you'll be able to cancel your subscription right from there. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.